In today's video, I want to talk about the basics for your morning and your nighttime routine, the things you need. Because I know that a lot of you add new skincare products to your stash every market day. Why? Okay. Go and get everything you want to get, be comfortable, and let's talk about the basics of skincare routine. Hello everybody, my name is Damilola. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, where have you been? I've been waiting to have you here. Please don't leave me. Be a part of this community. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This video is going to be very short, and that's because you don't need a lot. Okay, I'm going to start with the morning skincare routine, the basics for your morning skincare routine. In fact, what you are expected to do for your morning skincare routine is to make sure your skin gets a lot of hydration, aka moisture, and you protect your skin. End of story. Your morning skincare routine is not for you to treat your skin, it's not for you to do all of those ones. We'll come to that. So what do you need for your morning skincare routine? You need a simple face wash. You can, I don't know the ones you've been using, but personally, the simple face washes I use are from CeraVe and Cetaphil. Something very simple that doesn't have any active or anything in it. So any simple face wash, and after that, toner. Honestly, toners are completely optional. Full disclosure, I use toners maybe on a scale of 10, maybe 40%. They are completely optional. That does not mean they are not useful, but yeah, and that's because I have other products that substitute for toner, because a toner is supposed to like balance the pH of the skin after you've washed your face. So if you have a toner in your routine, thumbs up. The people that have up to like 10, 4, 5, 6 toners, you don't need it. Oh, you don't need it. I'm just putting it out there. Then for your morning routine, it is usually advised to have a form of antioxidants. And I want us to be careful with the way we throw the word antioxidant around, because even our retinoid functions as antioxidant. So for your morning routine, I will advise, okay, I use vitamin C or niacinamide. Vitamin C because it works well with the sun and sunscreen, it helps to brighten the skin, and niacinamide because it reduces inflammation for the skin. So that it will not be as if I'm just throwing everything around, let me tell you what Google says. So I asked why we need antioxidants for morning skincare routine, and it says applying antioxidants in the morning provides a vital shield, that's protection, against the day's environmental aggressors such as UV rays, air pollution, and even digital blue light. You remember that I talked about it. It says these elements generate skin damaging free radicals, but antioxidants neutralize them before they can break down collagen, cause hyperpigmentation, or accelerate premature aging. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, so that's why we need antioxidants for our morning skincare routine. Now, what I would say, so that you're not just packing product, because now I have said you can use vitamin C, you can use Nestle. Even me, when I just started, guys, I have products for days. My steps, let's keep quiet. So what I do now is I use a product that has antioxidants in them for my morning skincare routine. It could be a combination of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, and any other antioxidants that is suitable for morning skincare routine. That way, I don't have up to 8, 10 steps in the morning. In the morning itself, you just want to do whatever you want to do and dash out the door. So it's not the time to be doing that scenario. So yeah, your face wash, get an antioxidant in form of a serum, your moisturizer. This is also not the time to use a moisturizer that exfoliates or treats the skin. Just get a regular moisturizer, and your sunscreen. For protection, you need sunscreen for your morning skincare routine. It's non-negotiable. There is, whether you're going to be outside or you're going to be indoors, you need sunscreen. End of story. Now let's move to nighttime routine. Your nighttime routine are supposed to be for treatment. This is because the skin, because we rest at night, the skin also rests, and it's, that is when it works. It repairs the skin. It does everything that it's supposed to do overnight. So yeah, that is why it is usually advised to reserve your treatment till nighttime routine. Treatment in whatever form, to be honest. Yours could be in form of exfoliation, yours could be in form of retinol, whatever you want to do. Now, because I said nighttime routines are meant for treatment doesn't mean you should exfoliate every night. Some of you do too much. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You do too much. Every night, you have a form of exfoliation in your routine. Why? Doing that constantly will damage your skin barrier. It might worsen your skin concern. So you want to chill. If you need to exfoliate, you can exfoliate 3 to 4 times in a week. You can start, you should even stick to that. And for your retinoids, be careful. A lot of times people say, oh, retinol is always making me out. I don't want to use it. To be honest, retinol is not the only thing that prevents anti-aging. So if you've used every form and nothing is working, please look out for other ingredients that will do that for you. But if you've only tried a variant of retinoid and it's not working, a video will pop up now. It will help you to know other variants of retinoids and you can choose anyone that you want from them. Another thing I want to say when it comes to treatments and even with skincare products generally is to make sure that your skin has built tolerance with the products you want to use. For example, when people are starting, let's take azelaic acid for example. You are new to skincare. You've never used anything azelaic acid before. You don't even know, especially for people that have sensitive skin or people that don't even know if their skin is sensitive or not. Be sure that you are starting with low percentages of the product. Don't if you want to start with azelaic acid, like I've said, don't start from 20%. You can start from 5, you can start from 10, 5, because you're just starting. Be sure that your skin has built tolerance, and subsequently you can increase it as the time goes. Because one thing I know is that sometimes the products are not the problem. We are the problem. Another thing is that the fact that a product is good doesn't mean that it's going to work for everybody. I'm saying all of that because you need to be sure that you're using the right products for your skin, and just in case it's not working, then you will know what the problem is. So in summary, the basic things you need for your morning skincare routine is to make sure your skin gets a lot of moisture, hydration, whatever you call it, and you protect your skin. That means you have your cleanser, your serum, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Just cleanse, moisturize, and protect. That is it for your morning skincare routine. Then for your nighttime routine, you simply treat. If you want me to recommend more products for your morning and your nighttime routine, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm sure I have something on my page. I'll simply send you the link, or I even explain what to do to you. Please subscribe to this channel because a lot of you are watching and you're not subscribing. Please help my channel to grow. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff. Please share and turn on your post notification. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Be kind to your skin and have a lot of patience. Okay.